is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I was the IRS, so what I have to say to you is very valuable. I keep these under 4 minutes so you can learn everything you need to know. I work thousands of cases. I taught the offer and compromise program when I was at IRS. I was a national, actually an instructor in the Southeast region. I actually taught other revenue officers to work the program. So the people who work the program have to learn from someone, and when I was there, that person, a couple of people were me. So anyway, if you go to my website, like I said, at 777, you'll learn all about me, and that's enough about me. So anyway, what are insider tips about working the offer and compromise program? Well, actually, we're writing a book. The book will be out actually hopefully in 3 months about the offer and compromise program. So when you file your offer and compromise, it goes to a processor. That first line processor goes ahead and makes sure it's in suitable order to be approved if it's going to be approved. All the check marks, all the signatures, all the money has to be in. From there, they evaluate the case and send the case to someone who's designed to work that case by dollar amount, by complexity. So it may go in a queue or it may be assigned to someone anywhere within the United States or within a particular region. Then that person goes ahead and starts looking at your offer and compromise. With that, they can do a LexisNexis, a credit report search. They're going to verify everything on there. They're going to look at your tax returns, how old you are, what your education. There's about 10 factors that you don't know that IRS is actually doing here. People don't know there's a lot of energy behind offers. Generally, in offers over 100,000, they're going to pull your credit report. It doesn't take long for a person who works offers by looking at your W-2, your 1040 history, your bank statements. You're going to know in a minute whether that offer is processable. But the two big areas you need to be aware about is, what are your assets? What is IRS value going to give? If IRS comes up with a value of your assets of $10,000, you're not going to settle for any less than $10,000. You're rarely going to get IRS to change that $10,000. It is what it is. They can't settle for under that $10,000. They're also going to look closely at your income and expenses. What most people don't know, where they get bit in the ass, is IRS has to put their expenses in. That means IRS has through the Department of Labor everything, the statistics they need for every state, every county, and where you live, and they're going to substitute their numbers for yours. So for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses, guess what? Their expenses goes in and yours go out. You want your offer approved? Let me know. I work larger cases. So does our team. We are experts in the United States on offers and compromise. So offer, oh, by the way, don't file your offer unless you know it's going to get approved. You're going to lose 20%, and you're going to give IRS a roadmap into your stuff. Believe me, give me a subscription. I tell you cool stuff. Send me a comment and maybe I'll make a YouTube. This came from a YouTube from somebody, a suggestion from someone. Thank you so much. Appreciate the subscription.